Hello everybody, thank you for joining us today. Today we're going to be creating a Valentine bouquet on a slightly more traditional feel. So we're using the red roses that everybody associates with Valentine's Day, but for a slightly more cost-effective option, we're dividing the dozen between pink and red. Okay, so my ingredients today are pink Athena roses, red freedom roses. I'm going to use a half a dozen of each, so it gives you an overall dozen for the bouquet. Then I've got Eucalyptus Cinerea and some Gypsophila starburst, and obviously my usual toolbox. Specifically today I've got my scissors, my anchor tape and some twine. All right, enjoy. So I hope you enjoyed our more traditional styled Valentine's bouquet demo. As always, I have some top tips for you. So top tip number one, you don't have to just stick with the eucalyptus that I've used here. There are lots of other foliages that you can use and that will change the style slightly. So you could use aspidistra leaves that you either fold so it makes it more sculptural. You could use palms, you could use panic fountain to give you a rustic style, or you could use asparagus to give you a little bit more texture. So the options are endless. Top tip number two, you can make this up a day or two in advance, perhaps store it in a bucket of water and then actually finish trimming it up the day before you want to deliver. So top tip number three, trimming up. So there are loads of ways that you can finish this bouquet off with. Lots of different styles of wrapping. So you've got cellophane, you've got hessian, you've got craft paper, tissue paper, and then obviously you can display that in a craft box or a hand-tied box or even a bag. So again, the options are endless. All right, so I hope I'll give you some inspiration. Thank you so much for watching us today. We look forward to welcoming you back again very soon. Don't forget to like us, share us with your friends, and do give our YouTube channel a look, because there's lots of tips and inspirational ideas on there that might give you some more inspiration. All right, we look forward to welcoming you back again very soon. Bye for now.